హాయ్ అండి, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. యాక్చువల్గా నేను ఈరోజు ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ టాపిక్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ రిలేటెడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ నవేడేస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్, దట్ ఈస్ ఎ మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. సో we will discuss this topic in depth further days. So before going to that, here is an introduction, what I have written and what I have prepared. So this is my notes preparation, that is so what is machine learning? Machine learning means it is a growing technology which enables a computer to learn automatically from the past data. Means how human beings are working, like that this machine learning will help to machines to learn automatically from the what data we have given. So this the machine learning uses in various algorithms. సో మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్లో మనము డిఫరెంట్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ అప్లై చేసి మనం ఏంటి అంటే ఒక మెషిన్ని ఆటోమేటిక్గా థింగ్స్ నేర్చుకున్నట్టుగా చేస్తామన్నమాట. సో ఇట్ విల్ అప్లై డిఫరెంట్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ ఫర్ బిల్డింగ్ ద మ్యాథమెటికల్ మోడల్స్ అండ్ మేకింగ్ ప్రెడిక్షన్స్ using some previous data or previous information, that is an historical data and information. So that is the actual introduction of the machine learning. So generally these machine learning techniques can be used in different applications, like example image recognition, speech recognition, email filtering, Facebook auto tagging and recommender system, etc. So actually మనం ఈ machine learning different applications లో యూస్ చేస్తాము, like all what we are seeing in the real world. So all the applications we are using this machine learning techniques for making the machines learn automatically. Like examples, here we are seeing image recognition and speech recognition and email filtering, and there are so many. Already మనం different social media చూస్తుంటే, simple example చూస్తుంటే, by using Facebook, we are using Facebook account, and if we want to post one picture, there we can tag another people who are related to that page, who are related to that picture. So that is a Facebook auto tagging. So they are applying the machine learning techniques. So that is a simple example. So different applications లో యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి in real world. సో మనకి ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ అన్నమాట and interesting topic. And here just a simple structure for this machine learning, that is a role of machine learning. If you observe here, the human, generally human వచ్చేసి మనకి we are learning everything automatically from the experience. Is it? Yes. So like that the machine also can learn from the past data with the help of the machine learning techniques. అట్లా ఒక మెషిన్ కూడా మనము మెషిన్ కొన్ని టెక్నిక్స్ యూస్ చేసి దానంతట తానే మనకి డిఫరెంట్ నేర్చుకునే విధంగా మెషిన్ని తయారు చేస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. సో దానికోసం మనం మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ టెక్నిక్స్ అయితే అప్లై చేస్తున్నాము. సో మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ ఈజ్ ద సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ మెయిన్లీ కన్సర్న్ విత్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ which allow a computer to learn from the data and past experience on their own. So machine learning ni manamu generally వచ్చేసి this is the subset of artificial intelligence. Artificial is the major topic. In that there is a subtopic, that is a machine learning, and one more subtopic, that is a deep learning. So if we want to know more about artificial intelligence, we need to learn machine learning, at the same time deep learning. So to make the machines learn automatically, we need to apply the algorithms from the past experience on their own. So that is the main introduction. And actually మనకి machine learning అనేది ఎవరు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు? Then the term machine learning was first introduced by Arthur Samuel in the year 1959. So this enables a machine automatically learn from the data, improve the performance from the experiences, and predict the things without being explicitly programmed. So machine learning వల్ల మనకి ఏంటి అంటే ఒక మెషిన్ని means which improves the learning capabilities by applying the data and improve their performance from their experiences and predict the things, is that machine working properly or not, is the data is correct or not, it will predict. And without explicitly writing a program, this will apply. So that is a machine learning concept. So with the help of this sample historical data, that is known as training data, what we are giving to the machine, that is called a training data. There we are applying the machine learning algorithms for building a mathematical model that will help the machine making a predictions and decisions without being explicitly programmed. So the more will provide the information and higher will be the performance. So how much data we are giving to the machine, that will gives the result, means we can estimate the performance of that machine. So if you give the more information, then we will get the more performance, higher performance to that machine. So here we can see the simple diagram for how machines works using this machine learning techniques. So here if you observe here, we need to give the first past data, that is as an input to that machine. After based on that data, there will be some machine learning algorithms. There are different types of algorithms. There the machine can learn from the previous data and apply the different types of machine learning models, the machine learning techniques. Then that will predict the data, so that will gives the output, that will be the new data. That is the main work of that this machine learning concept. So this is the working model, and there are some features of the machine learning. Here the machine learning uses the data to detect the various patterns in a given data set. So as we discussed now, machine learning techniques can apply on the machine by giving some data set, by giving some previous data, by giving some own data. So by that the machines are working, and it can learn from the past data and improve it automatically. After taking that input data, it can learn the data from that past data and improve it automatically for better performance. And it is a data driven technology. So one of the feature is totally the machine learning techniques are the data driven technology, totally depends on the data. So it is much similar to the data mining, so as to deals with this huge amount of data. That's why everything data mining and machine learning are dealing with the data only, right? So these two are similar each other, it looks like that. And here we are discussing some importance of machine learning. What is machine learning? It is a rapid increment in the production of the data. Main importance of this, we are applying many techniques, right? So it will be an increment in that result. So we are getting some new data, right? So there is a rapid increment, and solving some complex problems also which are difficult for the human. So everything can't do easily by human beings, right? So machine learning techniques can easily solve the complex problems, and they can take the decision making in various sectors, including in finance sectors also, and finding the hidden patterns and extracting the useful information from the data. So that is also an important thing. It will find out the hidden patterns, and then we can get the information from the past data, and we can get the new data. So that is the importance of the machine learning. Okay.